Hello everyone! We are in Belgium. There is a rich variety of birds, including swamp chickens, seagulls, coots chasing each other. Coots do not have webbed feet like ducks, but they swim not worse than ducks. Swamp chickens are about half the size of a coot. Today is a sunny day, so the cormorant is also sunbathing. The great cormorant feeds on fish caught through diving. The duration of its dives is around 30 seconds, with the bird diving to depths of about 6 meters. Many fishermen see in the great cormorant a competitor for fish. Because of this, it was hunted nearly to extinction in the past, but due to conservation efforts, its number increased. At the moment, there are more than 1 million birds in Europe. Cormorant fishing is practiced in China, Japan, and elsewhere around the world. In this practice, fishermen tie a line around the throats of cormorants, tight enough to prevent swallowing the larger fish they catch, and deploy them from small boats. The cormorants catch fish without being able to fully swallow them, and the fishermen are able to retrieve the fish simply by forcing open the cormorant's mouth. In Norway, the cormorant is a traditional game bird, so cormorants are shot to be eaten. In the UK, each year some licenses are issued to hunt specified numbers of cormorants in order to help reduce their number. Not so long ago, we fed these Canadian geese, but they have long since grown up. So thank you so much for watching attention. See you in the next videos and have a nice day.